All I can tell you is don't let going be the thing that's keeping you from not going. That's what we're going to talk about today with this. This is a composting toilet for camping. And what I am not going to do is I am not going to show you me using this thing. I'll show you how to use this thing as best I can without using this thing. But the thing that makes this thing interesting to me is the overall design. This company, Boxio, has come up with this really neat modular approach. Come on, get out of there. There we go. To getting camping stuff done. So they have a whole bunch of different things that will interface with this in terms of storage, not necessarily in terms of using at the same time. Like they've got a sink and they've got this. So we're going to figure out how to work with all of this stuff. So that's everything. It fits inside of this nice little portable container. And you've got a lid on the top. And you've got a storage bin on the bottom. And so when you're talking about composting toilets, you need something to absorb the moisture and give off a good smell. And this is hemp fiber. And then they give you a nice little way of shaking that into the container. And then inside here, this is where all the magic goes when it's done happening. 2-year warranty. Okay. This is a plug. We'll have to figure out where the plug goes. There's some clips. These are the bags. I guess this is the bags where the waste goes in. There is the potty seat. And there's a spot for the liquids to go down the front and the solids to go down the back. Bigger hole for aiming, and then this is a catch trap where stuff will circle the drain and then go down in. I got the advanced kit, so I get twice the hemp material. Put that over there with the other stuff for now. Some lids for the bottle there. Your solids container, and there is a little bit of an owner's manual there for how to go, and some tools. We'll figure out what the tools are good for. All right, I've got some reading material to do, but I don't have a place to sit down and read it yet. We'll get there. So it didn't take me too long a reading because it's all pictures, and I can do pictures. I can handle that pretty easy. I like that. Just get in and go, man. All right, so we're going to start with step number 1. There are 4 screws, and they are in this bag here. And it looks like they give you the tools that you need too. Excellent. Let's see, I've got a couple of these practiced under my belt so far, but let's see if we can get this guy here. It needs to go into this hole right here. And I'm doing it from the outside, from the inside looking out. Oh, I got it. And then a washer. It's actually really nice that the washers go on the inside, so if they fall into the container. And then one of these guys here, and I need to get that started with 2 hands. I don't have 2 hands. Okay, once it's started, it gets to be pretty easy. Screw that down. And then they do give you, like I said, the tools. On the inside, you get a slotted screwdriver thing, and that kind of just holds it in place. It's got a little heart on it. And then for the outside, you get an Allen key that goes on the outside. So let me take these tools that it came with and get that guy tightened down. All right, big check mark next to step 1 and 2 and 3 is where we're at now. 3 is the solids container. And this will go into the back, and then they want you to store the lid back there as well, and there's room for it in there. And you can tell it's the back side because it has these 2 holes in it, which will come in later. And so will that string. Step 3, done. Step 4, I think these are just off-the-shelf lids, and they want you to take this part here off. This would be the part, if you got it at the grocery store, that kept it sealed and you knew it wasn't tampered with. So take those off and toss them in the bin. I think I can do this. I think I can. There's one. Toss them in the bin. Okay, and then you get one of these white rings that goes on one of these guys. And this is for when you are using it to go potty. And then you get one of these green rings that goes inside the lid. And this is for when you're going to dump this out in the appropriate receptacle. So the next step is to take the one that you put the white ring in and put that on top of the white liquids container, liquids receptacle. And then this goes in here. All right, next up we put the seat on. That is this guy here, and then like I said, the liquids portion goes in the front and lines up, and you sit it on top of the little screws that we put in there before. And there is a good lineup with the liquids container, and there is plenty of room. It's going to be really hard to miss that, I hope. And then the next step, step 7, is to put the lid on it. So lid on top and line those holes up in the back. Next step is to put the string on to hold the lid in place to make it nice, and then you're ready to go. All right, let's see if I can pull this off, get this string down in this hole, and then get it down into the second hole. I don't know if I can do that with the camera on top here. I got it. Awesome. And then tie a knot in it, just so it doesn't go flying away on you. And I'm just using a granny knot, nothing special. It's not like it's a load-bearing thing. I mean, the whole box here is a load-bearing thing. Get that one through there. Get that one through there. And then they want you to make it tight. So we'll make it tight, and this time we'll run the knot up that way, up that way. And then that forms the back part of your lid. And so now that that's all tied on, it just opens up just like that and doesn't leave. It's like a real potty. They want you to cut it off, but I can't be trusted with sharp things because I cut myself. And then heat the end of it so it doesn't fray, and then you did it. I'm ready to use, but we have more stuff, like the bags. Okay, yep, so put the bag in, put that on, make sure it lines up, sprinkle in some pellets, use it. Max is 150 kilograms. If I'm going to put 150 kilograms in there, I don't know, I think I might empty it sooner. And then once you've gone, put some more stuff in there, and then change lids when you're ready to take it to dump it. And then you can take the bag of waste out and you can clean up after yourself. Excellent. So I got the bigger model that has the extra storage tray and the extra stuff in the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and put my hemp inside of my container there, my shaker. And both of these bags are the same size, so it doesn't matter which one of these I grab. Okay, and it looks like one bag fills this up twice. So I've got a couple of weeks worth of supply here, I hope. Next up, they give us this nice roll of duty bags. And you want to put one of those in your duty box before you put your duty in it. And then you just put it in. And I definitely err on the side of putting more in than putting too little in. And then after you get it all poured in, make sure that it's covering the bottom nicely and it's ready for its payload. And then if you are ready to go out of here and you aren't finished going in the box, there's a couple of neat tricks for it also. So first off, there's this little finger recess up here out of the mess way that you can use to grab onto this thing and get it out of here. And once that's out the way, there is the lid to contain everything in there. We can put the seat back in place and put a cork in it. And so the water's not going to splash out and the solids aren't going to splash out. Close the lid and away you go. And then there is this bottom bin here to put in your cap for when you go to dump. You know, after you're done dumping, you got to go dump. There is some more material here in case you need more soak up the moisture material, get rid of the smell material. There's your shaker container and a whole thing of extra bags. And that all fits right underneath perfectly. Now all I need is a little bit of privacy. If you want, I don't even know if I can do this one. If you'd like more information about the Boxio set of products that they have, which includes more than just the composting toilet, there will be links in the description down below. Until then, there is a video right here on the rest of this truck camper build that is probably a lot more entertaining, maybe even a lot less entertaining than this. I'm not 100% sure. But click over there and I'll see you over there.